All right, 5 years after a young boy from Mercer Island lost his battle to cancer, his parents are continuing his fight. Ewan was diagnosed at the age of 6 with acute lympho-blastic leukemia at Seattle Children's Hospital. He died 2 years later, and that's when his parents started the Team Ewan Guild, which so far has raised $70,000 for research into the treatment of high-risk leukemia at Seattle Children's Hospital. And today, they are raising more money through a very yummy way with pies. Joining us this morning to share more are Ewan's parents, Michael and Jenny. Thank you guys so much for being here with us today.
All right, thank you for having us.
And thank you so much for talking about this, drawing attention to this. This is so important. So tell us a little bit about what Pies Against Cancer is and how it all started.
Pies Against Cancer is an initiative that a friend of ours in New York actually started for Sloan Memorial Kettering, and we have adopted it and put our own twist on it. So today we are hosting a fundraising pie party at a farm on Mercer Island. The party is sold out, but we will be doing this again next year, and at the party we'll have a raffle and a pie contest. There will also be an online auction, which is you do not need to be present to win. And after the party, we will continue to fundraise through a pie matching service, where if people donate to Seattle Children's Hospital at $50 or more through Team Ewan Guild, they can go onto our site and select a pie of their choice. And matched with a baker.
This is really sweet. So these bakeries are donating these pies. You're able to raise money through such an important cause. Talk a little bit more about what this money goes towards and why it's so near and dear to your heart.
The money goes towards the high-risk leukemia program at Seattle Children's Hospital. The program started in 2018, the same year that Ewan died, and it's important to us because we think that Ewan would have had a better shot had he had access to a team of medical providers and physician scientists who could use precision medicine to treat his cancer. So for kids that have aggressive blood cancers, there sometimes aren't a lot of options, and this provides more options.
Yeah. What else do you think it's important for parents who maybe haven't been through this? Why it's so important to donate to these causes, especially looking at your sweet son here on the screen. I mean, thank you so much for being vulnerable with this. It's so important.
Well, I mean, it's the researchers and physicians who are doing this important work need all the support that they can get. Yeah. They're doing really important work, and they are on the cusp of making great improvements in the quality of treatment that will help many children in the future. So for us, it's important to support that.
For example, one type of treatment is CAR T-cell therapy, which Ewan did receive, but it didn't work for him in part because of timing. And so having more money supports research to understand why it works for some kids and why it doesn't work for others.
Okay, in our last 10 seconds here, again, if people missed it, where can they go? We know today's event is sold out, but where can people go if they still want to participate and want to give money?
Well, they can go to the Pies Against Cancer Seattle website, and there is information on the pie matching that will be running through Thanksgiving.
Okay. Yeah. Perfect way to get your Thanksgiving pie.
Exactly.
Yes,
lots of pumpkin pie there right now.
Jenny, Michael, thank you so much for talking about this.
All right. Thank you so much for having us.
Oh, if we want more information on this, we're going to have a link on our website for Pies Against Cancer Seattle at fox13seattle.com.